Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can set up two-factor authentication in crypto.com. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your crypto.com, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and on the home page you have to tap on the gear icon located in the top left corner of your screen. And as you tap on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page, and then on the settings page you have to tap on two-factor authentication. So then on the other interface, all you have to do is just toggle the switch in the top right corner, and once you're on this page you have to take the screenshot of the scanner and then save it on your device. Now you have to open up your Authenticator app, and once you open it, tap on the plus icon located right at the bottom, and after that you have to tap on file, and as you tap on file, now you have to upload the image that you recently taken screenshot. So after importing the screenshot successfully, Authenticator app will automatically select crypto.com. All you have to do is review all of your information, and if you're sure about it, tap on save in the top right. So on this page you can see there's a code, so then you have to note it down. So then you have to verify your code. So for that you have to enter the code that you've recently noted down, and once you're done entering the code, tap on activate 2AF. And also a reminder that the code will refresh every 30 days, and after that you have successfully set up two-factor authentication on crypto.com app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.